Hi there, we are Swasthya Chakra. We're currently operating as a team of two co-founders, Aditya Rajashekharan, myself, and Nitin Shukla, based in India. We've created Swasthya Chakra because every year, around 100 million people are being pushed into extreme poverty, that is, living on less than $1.90 a day, because they must pay for healthcare out of pocket. Our product is a technology platform which enables individuals in vulnerable populations to participate in a trustless mutual financial support service, where everyone in the risk pool contributes directly to each other's protection from negative health shocks. Take Lakshmi, for example, a single mother of two in Bihar, India. She is sidelined with a respiratory condition and is unable to tend to her dairy business. She needs money for 3 months of treatment, to feed herself and her children, and also to pay back the microloan which helped her procure a second cow. Luckily, she is part of a Swasthya Chakra risk pool with 150,000 participating members. Lakshmi makes a claim for 65,000 Indian rupees, which is split amongst the members of the risk pool equally and directly paid to her. Our product promotes both financial freedom and resilience. People like Lakshmi will be financially resilient to adverse health shocks and will be protected from falling into extreme poverty. Additionally, no financial burden will pass on to Lakshmi's children. The children will be able to continue with their schooling and education instead of having to find employment to provide for their families. This indirectly also promotes long-term financial stability.
My name is Nitin Shukla. The Swasthya Chakra MVP will explore two broad areas. The first is customer uptake and participation in a mutual financial support product. The second is the automation potential and optimizing user experience across the various key processes. To achieve this, we plan to partner with a microfinance institution in India for the MVP, since their user base is primed for community endeavors and upward mobility through self-help group activities. Now, at the same time, they also fit into our choice of demographic, that is, users that don't have economic protection against health shocks or critical illness. Working with this microfinance institution will provide us with the right kind of community, the right ground support, and the foundation to test product and optimize user experience. Our technology stack focuses on enabling trustless peer-to-peer financial transactions using blockchains and smart contracts. In our MVP exercise, we will test and develop the following: a basic background and participation process. We're going to be using the UID for authentication of the basic details, Sybil for credit checks over API. We're also going to look at employment detail verification, proxy credit checks, and bank statement analyses. Next, smart contracts for payout plan and disbursement. Smart contracts have a strong foundation on managing transactional data automatically. And they also have a good foundation on carrying out the preconditions for these contracts automatically. For instance, payouts can be completely automated, and as long as the decisioning for legitimacy and the situation itself is manually verified, the settlement, balance updation, plan participation, and monthly payments can be adjusted automatically. Automatic payments. Automatic payments can be initiated using the National Payment Corporation of India's APIs and using national automatic clearinghouse mandates. And these can be signed automatically and electronically in the best case. And in the worst scenario, they can be physically signed and then electronically uploaded. So as long as the participant has a linked bank account, payment automation is entirely implementation ready. Now, mobile devices are going to play a huge role. So the last part of this is mobile data verification. Using captured images and the metadata in these images, phone location data, videos from participants, and video statements from doctors, we intend to develop a verification model and partner with local medical facilities to gather secondary evidence and a variety of metadata for each case to ensure that we're making the disbursements to the right people. While this solution is focused on the Indian market, it is based on Alibaba's mutual support product in China called Changhu Bao, which has proved that this model works and is scalable. And while we are planning to start servicing customers through Swasthya Chakra in India, we also plan to make our platform as modular and plug and play as possible to scale into countries such as Malaysia, Bangladesh, Nepal, Indonesia, and other developing countries where mutual support products could protect vulnerable communities from the exponential turmoil that health shocks and critical illnesses can bring.